Howdy, crew. I bought a lathe. Want to go for a ride on my first silly attempt at a facing operation? That's a ridiculous 12-inch bar in there. And it's in an Ford MT5 adapter and a collet. And I can't get it out because I don't have the tang wedge just yet. And I can get it out of the lathe. I just can't get the bar out of the collet. So thought I would try my first facing operation with a ridiculous amount of overhang. I did run the bar in here. It's 30 thousandths out right now. And I have touched off on the face already and dialed in what I think is 20 thou, but I'm not sure which. It looks like it is the direct. So I dial in 20 thou and I'm going to get, I dial in 20 thou and I'm going to get 20 thou. Yeah, direct. I think we'll hold, not sure here, hold this here. I have no idea what I'm doing here other than I've been watching YouTube videos for a short time. Carbide, so we can go a little bit higher speed probably. I think 1018 steel, but I'm not even sure. I feel like pressing a foot pedal because I'm used to my drill press. That's hilarious. Whoa, hey now. All right. Forward. Let's get like, I don't know, 700 RPM. Yikes. Something doesn't feel good or right. Hold, please. Okay, that's going to make for a hilarious first lesson. Always be sure to make sure you fully seat your taper. Hey, partners? All right, now I'm going to have to touch in again on this. So I guess come along with me for that ride. Okay, we'll get it rolling here. And we'll just touch in. Believe that's in. Now we will lock the carriage. I've already locked the compound firmly in place. Okay. Oh, that was dumb. I touched off, but I didn't set in the cut. So now I have to unlock the carriage. Do please bear with. I have never run a lathe before. Okay, we will dial in the cut, which means if this is direct and we've got 0.25 millimeters per hash. Let me get my eyes in there and see what I'm doing. Take up the backlash. That should be about 20. I don't know, ish, 5 thousandths. Yeah, I can see we're going to have some kind of cut going on there. However de minimis it is. Let's lock this in. We should start small for the first run, for sure. Now, before I did all this, I leveled it, got a shim back here so that it's precision level left and right with one of those extreme high precision machinist levels. I also got the tailstock spot on with this MT5 dead center to that dead center. As I slide it in, they come in and touch points. And then if I bring the tool from this center all the way out to this center, on center, it remains on center. So I think that means I have pretty good alignment. I had to adjust the tailstock just a few hairs in and down, or yeah, down. I can't remember. I was going to shim it down, but then I didn't need to do that, so I only needed to take it over a little bit. All right, anyways, let's get on with this first facing cut and see what the heck happens. This face already looks pretty good, so I mean, I'm not sure what we're doing here, but hey, like I said, I'm going to try to face, like I said, I think carbide can go higher. I think that's the right facing bit. Although, it can't be, because that can't be right. This is gonna, I feel like I've got the wrong tool. All right, let's avoid disaster. This is what quick change is for. Just get this tool out of here. And let's try a different tool. Because I feel like I saw that one was gonna be hitting on the bottom. There was no relief. So what? I don't know, I don't know shit about this. Huh. What are you supposed to, what carbide do you face with? That thing? I don't fucking know. Fucking shit. I know that one would do it. It's got relief in it. Alright, let's just, but the height's not dialed in because that's a giant 16 millimeter. That's the triangle I got. That's not for facing, that's for weird other stuff. I really think this is the facing. No, that's the finishing. I got more studying to do, huh? Let's put this back in and see. Let me fiddle for a minute, I'll bring you back. Okay, I've reconvinced myself that is for facing and that the metal comes into the top of the part and gets taken away, and that's where the relief is because the tip of this overhangs the bottom here. So even though I feel like the metal is going to get rubbed by this under here, it won't, because it will be removed by the carbide before it gets there. Okay, I get it. Now we're cooking with 2 brain cells. Why am I nervous? Yo! Here we go again, in forward. I am ready to hit that red button and quick. Alright, we are at 770. The carriage is locked, the compound is locked. We are moving in on our first, oh my golly gosharoons. Hello. Cutting oil, anybody? How about a little cutting fluid? Well, I bought some different stuff, but I have this open right now, so we'll go for whatever's in this red bottle of cutting fluid. I don't even know how you do this. You're just gonna get it on there like that-ish. Kind of on the face. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Whoa. That's 1,000. 9, 8, 750. This is it, kids. Eureka. Trying to drive in slow. Need a fan, that's smoky. I don't hear chatter. I don't think. It's cutting. It may not be pretty. Oh, that's chatter. That's chatter. Yikes. Well done. Now what? Do I come out of hair? Oh, cutting fluid. Maybe I needed more cutting fluid? Well, I'm gonna come out and try to come back. I'm gonna spring out. Oh, this is so dumb. I should have rolled out of this. This is a bad idea. What am I doing? Oh, fuck. Well, it was going okay. Now I'm a little shaken, if not stirred. I guess I'm gonna come out with the carriage so that I can back off of this part and restart walking in again. Take a look at the carbide tip and make sure it's not roasted and toasted. Man, I'm wearing these stupid glasses. I can't see jack. Bit looks good. That facing operation looks hilarious. Look at how far off concentric it is. You can't really tell. I don't know if you can tell. Sort of. All right, let's face back into this and see if I can't take a little less. I guess I was barely taking like what looks like, 10 thou. So maybe it is an indirect set of dials. I'm just going to start to go straight across that again. And, let's just see what the hell happens. Maybe I needed to take my speed up a little when it started wonking out. I don't know. What the hell do I know? That's why, because as I got towards the middle, the speed slows down in rotation. So probably that's what was going on. Oh, interrupted cut. This is 1,000 RPM. I have no idea what I'm doing. Now what? Do I kill it? How do I come out with the carriage when it's locked? Oh, the compound. Well, the compound's locked too. Yeah, I think I just kill it. And then come out. Oh no, I should have sprung back out. That's what I'm supposed to do, right? Ay. Now I feel like firing it back up while the tool is sitting there. It's probably pretty dumb. Although it is on center right now, so how bad can that be? And then just walk it back out with the cross slide. Hey, well, if you read my forum on RC Crawlers, you know I told you this was a hot mess. All right, I'm gonna go in for another one. What do you think? 10 more thou? There's 2 ticks of 0.25 millimeter. Yes, I know this goes against everything you're supposed to do. Facing a super non-concentric bar way far away from the chuck. I feel like I should put the oil on the thing. Mikey. Much too big a cut. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, the collet was coming out. I didn't bang the collet in good. It's got a drawbar, but that's interesting. Well, narrowly averted disaster. Didn't break my carbide tip yet. That's excellent. Let's put that in there good. Probably not even the right size bar. Wonder if I just bang that tip. All right, let's see what happens when we get there. You know, that's a big cut. That's like taking almost a millimeter from my eye. 3/4, maybe that's 25 thou, 20 thou, 30 thou. What's 39,000 a 39 thou in a millimeter? See if that one will stay put for us this time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey now. That is not staying put. All right. Well, can't tell if that's a nub or I just didn't go all the way in. Well, that's nasty chatter right there on that edge. Bar was coming out. Yeah, not bad. Clean finish. You could tell I stopped and restarted. Right there. And changed how far I was cutting. Let's put it in the 3-jaw and see. All right, back on the range again. We are in the 3-jaw with the minimum amount of stick out, protrusion, whatever you want to call it. We're going to touch off again here. And looks like touch off. I'll lock the carriage. But again, I'm going to try to take a nice hearty face. 1, 2.5 dialers. Plus a pinch to grow an inch, because we got to get past that chatter spot on there. Locking the carriage. Hitting the juice. Seems to fly everywhere. I thought this was cut. This is cutting oil, but whatever. 1,000 RPM. $1,200 RPM. Okay. We faced apart. We took a hefty hunk. I think these look pretty nice. I'm okay with that, right? That's a pretty nice looking little chimichanga. And I could like, I don't know, once I started rolling in, it just chattered a tiny bit at first, but then all of a sudden I felt it like dial in, and I could feel the pressure out, and then it was just an even feed with the hand, and like it felt real good. So I kept on going and I pushed it, tried to chatter tiny bit right where I had changed that cut height last time, and I pushed on through, and it seemed like better that I pushed. And that 1250 RPM, yeah, that was good. And I think that was, I'm on the low setting right now, so I was maximum 1250 RPM with maximum torque. That's faced. Now I think I can drill it for center and start making an alignment bar. But we're 20 minutes into this video, so first cuts under my belt, and I'm feeling pretty okay. We got a mess to clean up. Ciao, crew. Hope you enjoyed. More to come. Godspeed.